We are travelers, so we don't have home where we can eat. So mostly we are eating only restaurant or hotels or coffee shops. Today we are in Hyderabad and we found a home where we can cook for us and for whoever who don't have a home. And now shopping time. We need the rice. So now we are done with our shopping and going to home back. Let's go. Is now we are in cooking lesson, so nothing much better than eating a clean food and the home food. This is really the best enjoyment. That's why we decided to provide to everyone who don't have home. So that's why it will be as well happy for us and for everyone. Today I will cook Tunisian food for Asian people. So I will see there how they will enjoy it or no. So hopefully they will like it. So for whoever we will give. Chicken time. Ta-da! You can see he gave lots of chicken. This is 1 kilo and it's really good quantity. Tunisian food. Let's see how it will be like. Teamwork. So guys, here in India, they are selling like a packet like this of oil. They don't sell like a normal bottle, as we know. So mostly they're selling like this. We didn't find the other one. We found only huge big ones. Actually, there is few, but there are big, not small. So mostly they use this packet, small one, better to wash it, and then use it for saluna. Surprise later, what is it? Wait till the end. What's the difference between this chili and this? Sorry. This is the recipe of Tunisian food as well. Bismillah, bismillah.
Imagine if it's gonna stand.
Taro. Huh?
What you
You
gonna
will be adding the tomato. Hey, what are you doing?
cooking rice? And in this old fashioned thing.
Show me, let me see. Ooh. From where? From where this one?
My sister.
So Naina. Let me show. So Naina, hello. How are you? That's Sunaina, and this is her her magical thing. So it's so huge actually. That's why we need something huge to make, because we are making lots of rice, like a good quantity. So we really need like something like this. This is the bamia. It's cooking. So this is the bamia. Look how it looks like. Okra, they call it here. Lady finger. It's cooking. And let me show you here. This is the brika. Preparation of the brika is so nice. It will be so delicious. So guys, the recipe, as I told you, is a cheese, egg, potato, little butter and olive oil, and you can add the salt and black pepper and little chili. It's up to you how much you want to add. So you will, and then you have to put it inside this, like the samosa pat, and it will be so delicious. Of course, the egg. Don't forget egg, raw egg and cooked egg. I'll show you how you have to cook this brika. So this is, as I said, is the saluna, and here, this is the pat. So I will put it inside, and this is the result. That's the final result, how it will look like. It looks really, there is the masala inside, the cream, like everything, the potato and everything. And then you fry it in the oil, or you can put it in the oven. It's really best thing you can try as a Tunisian food. You will like it a lot. And let me show you. So you have to put like this, a little the sauce, and just close it smoothly, slowly, until you find the final result, which is like this. Finished, done. This is how we fry the brika, we call it. You have to put one by one, and then you have to wait until it will be crispy. You turn it, and this is our saluna. It's getting cooked, and it smells all so good in a so amazing way. So hopefully they will like it and everyone will enjoy it. The plates is ready. So now we will be putting our food. Honey is still cooking, still cooking. He's starting the brika. So we'll put the brika, rice, and this one. So hope they enjoy it because we are so excited for home food. Finally, home food.
Yes, after a long time.
After how many months? Like really, we are eating always hotels, restaurants. So all thanks to Sunaina, it's her home. So that's why we are cooking here in Hyderabad. Bismillah. You have to add lemon. Hani make a big effort today.
I'm a chef now.
He is the best chef today. He did every brika, he cut the onion. This is how it should be the husband. So now we'll keep some rice. This is the rice. It's so nice, cooked very well. And he added my husband some few things. It smells so good. And then we will add brika. So this is like a mixed between Indian and Tunisian plate. Some kind of saluna, rice and brika and chicken. So guys, we are done now with all the hard work. We did it all. It looks so nice and amazing, and it smells so good, and it's so tasty, by the way. So this is Tunisian food in India. And the other thing, I wish that everyone, they travel or anywhere they go, they can cook in the home. They found a way. And always this video, I wanted to inspire you guys, so to always help someone and go outside, and if see someone you need food or you need help, always try to help. So this video is an inspiration and trying food in the home and enjoyment, all of it together. Let's continue. Let me today now. So now we are going to give it to some people, and we will show you this as well. So this is the final result with all. So now we are going, there is a rice and there is the sabrika and the saluna. So it looks really so nice and it's so healthy. And finished packing, and as I was talking about the inspiration, Sunaina, she got inspired and she got inspired and she brought this one as well to give to the people, which is really a good thing. And let's go. We are doing for hunt. We are looking for whoever who will need something. So we are in the bike and looking. So this is the area. We don't see anyone till now. And here the way they drive the bikes and everything is totally crazy.
And we are triple.
And Sunaina, she's with us.
Our cameraman. I think today everyone is holiday. So we will not find anyone.
Okay. Mostly we see them always sitting outside.
Actually, this street is much better than earlier street.
So guys, now we came to the main road. We are looking. By chance, no one is here. So we are looking for people. Wow, look how crowded it is.
Wow.
Wow. So guys, finally we found there are two people there. So we stopped here the bike.
She's coming.
Yeah, and this is for other one. Hope this video will inspire everyone to help every day at least one person. So actually we distribute the remaining food, but I didn't want to record their faces. So with this video we are happy that we had food made in the home, and we wish so much that everyone will be happy. And of course, if we are able to do more, we will be doing it, hopefully in the future. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support always with your like and share as much as you can this video, and see you in next video.